Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the vector integration. In this topic, the first topic is line integrals. Here first we describe about the line integrals and then we do the problems. Let f of r be a continuous vector function which is defined at each point of the curve C in the space. If you see here on the right hand side, we are defining a curve having the points from the A to B and divide C into n parts. At the points A, from n parts we are dividing as P0, P1, P2 and so on like that, Pn minus 1, and the terminal point is Pn, which is nothing but equal to B, and their corresponding position vectors are R0, R1, R2 and so on, Rn. Let Vi be the position vector of any point in the arc Pi minus 1 Pi. Here if you see, for this arc, in this arc we are defining a position vector Vi, and now we consider the sum sigma I is equal to 0 to n f of ui into delta Ri. Delta Ri is the length of the arc from the points Pi minus 1 to Pi. And now if you divide the curve into more number of subdivisions, the length of the each arc will reduces. So if you see here, the limit of the above sum, as n tends to infinity, that length will be tending to 0 value, which is defined as to be a tangential line integral of f bar along the curve C and is denoted by integral f of r dot dr bar. R, if r is a function of t, then we can write the same line integral as integral along a curve C f of r dot dr by dt into dt, and always this is a scalar quantity. Where C is a closed curve, the above line integral will be represented as integral along a closed curve. When the curve is C is a closed curve, we represent a circle on the integral symbol f of r dot dr bar. In general, now we define the above line integral mathematically as, if you consider a vector f bar, where f bar is defined as f1 xyz into I plus f2 xyz into j plus f3 xyz into k, where r bar is a position vector xi plus yj plus zk, and dr bar is idx plus jdy plus kdz. And now we write the dot product f of r dot dr bar along the line integral along the curve C. It is nothing but equal to line integral along the curve C. The dot product between f bar and dr bar is f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now we have a definition of circulation. If f bar represents the velocity of a fluid particle and C is a closed curve, then the line integral along a closed curve C f of r dot dr bar is called as circulation of f bar around the curve C. If the circulation f bar around every closed curve in a region vanishes, then we call that vector as an irrotational vector in the region E. Now the physical interpretation of a line integral here, f of r dot dr bar will represent a work done by force. If f bar represents the force acting on a particle moving along an arc AB, then the work done during a small displacement delta r is nothing but equal to f bar dot dr bar. The total work done by f during the displacement from A to B is given as integral along a curve points from A to B f of r dot dr bar. Now we are going to solve the problems on this line integrals. Here I am taking one example. If f bar is equal to 3xy into I minus y square j, evaluate line integral f bar dot dr where C is the curve in the xy plane, y is equal to 2x square from the point 0, 0 to point 1, 2. Here in the solution, since the curve is given in the xy plane, we can write the value of z as 0 and the corresponding position vector in the xy plane is xi plus yj. Then line integral f bar dot dr bar is nothing but f bar is given in the function 3xy into I minus y square into j dot dr bar is nothing but I dx plus j dy, where c is a parabola, y is equal to 2x square. Since it is a line integral, we represent the variable y also in terms of x, and then we evaluate with respect to x and writing the limits for x. So we substitute that wherever we have y, there we are going to substitute 2x square, so that dy will become 4x dx, and the limits of integration in terms of x are x varies from 0 to 1. So therefore the above line integral will reduce us to the form line integral f bar dot dr bar, which is equal to integral from 0 to 1, and the whole function is transformed to a function of single variable x, and that after simplification we are getting integral 0 to 1 6x cube dx minus 16x to the power 5 into dx. Now the integral of 6 is constant, integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus 16 is constant, and integral of x to the power 5 is x power 6 by 6. Substituting the limits, and after simplification we are getting the answer minus 7 by 6. This is the answer to the given problem. And now I am going to take another model. Here the question is, find the work done in a moving particle in the force field f bar is equal to 3x square into I plus 2xz minus y into j plus z into k. Along here they have given the two different questions. Number one, along the straight line joining the points from 0 0 to 2 1 3, and the another question is along the curve defined by x square is equal to 4y, 3x cube is equal to 8z from x equal to 0 to 2. Now we find the solution to this problem. First we are writing the given information. Given vector f bar is this, and r bar we know that the position vector xi plus yj plus zk, and dr bar is nothing but I dx plus j dy plus k dz. And next I am writing line integral of a function f bar dot dr bar as dot product between f bar and this dr bar, and this equation 1 will represent the line integral of a function along the curve C. But here two different problems are given, and the curve is defined in different ways. So first we consider the first question. Equation of straight line from points 0 0 to point 2 1 3 are, this is representing the equation of a straight line in a parametric form using the formula x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, which is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, which is equal to a parameter t. In that formula, if you substitute these points, we are going to obtain the equation of a straight line in parametric form, that is x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z is equal to 3t. And if you observe here from these values, the variable t changes the takes the values from 0 to 1. And now we substitute all these values x, y, z in terms of t, and the limits are also in terms of t in equation 1. So that we get line integral of a function f bar dot dr bar along the curve C is nothing but equal to integral t is equal to from 0 to 1, and every one is represented in terms of t. Whereas for dx we write here 2 dt, dy is equal to dt, dz is equal to 3 into dt. Everything complete, this integral will reduce us to a function of single variable and integrating with respect to dt. So that this is our function. Integral t is equal to 0 to 1, and the integrand after simplification, here we are getting 36t square plus 8t into dt. By taking integration with respect to t and substituting the limits, we are going to get the answer 16. Now we have in the same problem, we have another model. So now I am going to discuss about that. Now here the curve is given in the form of x square is equal to 4y and 3x cube is equal to 8z. So here x varies from 0 to 2. Now in the equation 1 we substitute wherever we are having y, we put y is equal to x square by 4, and from this we write z is equal to 3x cube by 8. And similarly